today we have Cynful Shrimp Scampi. We're going to start out by cutting our onions. We're going to do it in a small dice. So cut down through the bulb in smaller sections. And then cut across the grain. And you get a small dice. Go ahead and smash your garlic and then cut it up into slices. And then rock that knife across and mince it. It should look like this when you're done. Now I'm not going to make you watch me cut all these tomatoes and I ran out of aromas, but go ahead and cut your tomatoes on aroma. Just cut it into slices and then dice it. So we're going to add oil and our butter to our preheated pan. That oil is going to stabilize that butter a little bit and keep it from turning brown. Once it's melted, go ahead and add your onion. We're going to cook this until the onions are nice and soft and translucent. Once those are done, add your garlic. We cook that for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Go ahead and add your spices, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and if you want to add the red pepper flakes, I have sensitive stomach so I can't use them. Blend those in. And then add your wine. And your lemon juice. Stir to combine and reduce the liquid by half. Once the liquid is reduced, add your tomatoes. And stir those in. And then your shrimp. Try to get all of the shrimp spread out so that they touch the bottom of the pan so they cook evenly. Once the shrimp become opaque, pink, and form a C, then they are done. I'm using angel hair pasta here. And we're going to stir that in. And try to get those shrimp on top of the pasta. They're already done, so we don't want to cook them any further if we can help it. Add your Parmesan cheese. This is the grated. It's going to thicken that sauce just a bit. Stir all that in, and once the sauce is thickened, go ahead and serve it in a bowl. And garnish with the 3-cheese Italian blend. And there you have it, your Cynful Shrimp Scampi. Here's your recipe. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.